In the 21st century, modern warfare is increasingly reliant on high technology, stealth capabilities, and automated weapon systems. Standing out among the most advanced military technologies today is the USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 destroyer, the pride of the United States Navy. It was designed not only to meet the demands of modern combat environments, but also to demonstrate America's maritime dominance for decades to come. The USS Zumwalt is the lead ship of the Zumwalt-class destroyers, developed in part to replace older classes such as the Arleigh Burke and Ticonderoga. Featuring stealth characteristics, cutting-edge electronics, and advanced weaponry, Zumwalt represents the pinnacle of naval military technology. The ship is named after Admiral Elmo R. Zumwalt, a key figure in reforming the U.S. Navy during the 1970s. Zumwalt DDG-1000 was launched in 2013 and officially commissioned on October 15, 2016. One of the most distinctive aspects of the USS Zumwalt is its unique appearance. Unlike any other modern warship, with a tumblehome hull design where the hull flares outward below the waterline and narrows above, Zumwalt minimizes radar cross-section to the extreme. Despite its massive size, it reportedly appears on enemy radar as nothing more than a small fishing boat. This stealth capability allows the Zumwalt to approach targets without being detected, making it especially valuable in close-range attacks or providing fire support near coastal areas. The USS Zumwalt is one of the largest destroyers ever built. Length, 190 meters. Beam, 24.6 meters. Draft, 8.4 meters. Displacement, approximately 15,000 tons. Top speed, over 30 knots. Crew, approximately 140 personnel, less than half that of similarly sized ships, thanks to extensive automation. The ship is powered by an integrated power system, IPS, a fully electric propulsion system that allows energy to be distributed flexibly between propulsion, sensors, and weapon systems. This paves the way for future weapons such as railguns and directed energy weapons, lasers. Weapon systems. The USS Zumwalt is equipped with some of the most advanced weaponry in the U.S. Navy, including AGS, Advanced Gun System, 155 millimeters. One of the ship's most notable features is its two 155 millimeter Advanced Gun Systems, AGS. Originally designed to fire long-range land attack projectiles, LRLAP, with a range of up to 110 kilometers. However, due to the extremely high cost of each round, around $800,000 per shell, the LRLAP program was canceled, leaving the AGS with no suitable ammunition. Currently, the U.S. Navy is exploring alternatives, such as retrofitting the guns to use conventional ammunition or replacing them with other weapon systems. 80 M&K-57 peripheral vertical launching system cells installed along both sides of the hull. This layout reduces the risk of chain reaction damage in the event of an explosion. The launchers can deploy a variety of missiles, including Tomahawk cruise missiles for land attack missions, RIM-162 Evolved Sea Sparrow missiles, ESSM, for air defense, Standard Missile 2, SM-2, long-range surface-to-air missiles, Harpoon anti-ship missiles, potentially integrated in the future, defensive armament, two 30-millimeter cannons designed to counter close-in threats, such as small boats and suicide craft. An advanced electronic defense suite, which includes radar, sonar, and electronic countermeasures, ECM, sensors, and electronics. The USS Zumwalt is outfitted with cutting-edge sensor systems, including AN/S PY3 radar, an X-band radar system capable of highly precise target tracking, even for low-flying threats, ANSQQ-90 sonar suite, a combination of hull-mounted and towed sonar systems designed for submarine detection, combat system. Zumwalt operates with an upgraded version of the Aegis combat system, fully networked with other assets in the U.S. Navy's battle network. Automation, the key to optimizing crew efficiency. One of the primary goals in designing the Zumwalt class was to significantly reduce the number of crew members needed to operate the ship. While Arleigh Burke-class destroyers typically require 300 to 350 personnel, the Zumwalt can be fully operated with just around 140 sailors, thanks to advanced automation. Remote control systems, automated monitoring, power management, and sensor integration all contribute to long-term cost savings and reduced risk for the crew. Challenges and controversies. Although it stands as a symbol of technological advancement, the development and deployment of the USS Zumwalt have not been without challenges. Skyrocketing costs. The U.S. Navy originally planned to build 32 ships, but due to soaring costs, exceeding $4.4 billion per ship, the program was cut down to just 3 vessels. Main armament issues. The cancellation of the LR-LAP ammunition rendered the AGS, Advanced Gun System, almost unusable, stripping the ship of its intended land attack fire support role. Complex system integration. Many of the ship's systems were too new and untested, leading to difficulties in real-world operations and maintenance. Future direction and upgrades. In light of current issues, the U.S. Navy has redefined the Zumwalt's mission. Rather than focusing solely on land attack and shore bombardment, the Zumwalt will now serve as a platform for long-range strike missions and anti-ship warfare. In 2023, the Navy confirmed plans to equip the Zumwalt class with conventional prompt strike, CPS, hypersonic missiles. These ultra-fast, long-range weapons can strike targets anywhere in the world within minutes. The integration of hypersonic weapons will turn the Zumwalt into a strategic asset for future conflicts. The USS Zumwalt is more than just a ship. It's a testbed for next-generation military technology. While it still faces limitations, the cutting-edge innovations it incorporates, such as integrated power systems, stealth architecture, and automation, will shape the design of future naval warships. As strategic competition intensifies across the globe, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region, vessels like the Zumwalt will play a critical role in deterrence and maintaining the United States' naval superiority.